Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming ownership and permissions on the problem folder. Open the File Manager and view Properties, then Security to see the current owner and permission set. If the owner is a different account or system, change ownership to you. This gives control to update ACLs. Once done, add your user with full control or read/write as needed, because without proper ownership windows or the file system will keep denying access regardless of visible settings. Next, adjust access control lists and inheritance so permissions apply correctly. Open Advanced Security Settings and decide if child objects should inherit from the parent. Enable inheritance to cascade settings, or disable and manually set explicit ACLs for sensitive cases. Add your user or the administrators group with the exact permissions you need, then choose to apply those changes to subfolders and files. This step fixes hidden mismatches. Finally, perform the actions with elevated rights to overcome system-level blocks. Right-click the File Manager and run as administrator, or use an elevated shell like sudo in Linux, then retry opening, moving, or editing the items. Once operations succeed, revert any unnecessary elevated privileges for safety. If you still see access denied, check for file encryption, file system corruption, or antivirus/quarantine holding locks, because those external layers can prevent access even when permissions and ownership are correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.